A victory for neighbors could mean major trouble for a local company.
A judge just temporarily stopped the plan to expand a cattle plant just outside of Kansas City. Now, 41 Action News reporter Tom Dempsey explains the unintended impact this could have.
You can see the outline of silver barns between these two tree lines.
Tasha Stevens can see the project near her home.
Those are barns that have cows in them or cows getting ready to be in them.
The Valley Oaks Steak Company expanding its facilities and increasing the number of its cattle more than 7 times, leading many neighbors to worry about odors from the site and impacts to property values and the environment.
My largest concern is the disease, the bacteria, the antibiotics in the water, the pollution of the ground.
A permit for the project granted earlier this summer, but this week brought a surprise.
I cried happy tears. We had a brief celebration.
State leaders putting a freeze on the expansion after finding possible environmental concerns with runoff and other issues.
Despite these expansion plans still needing formal official approval, Valley Oaks has already invested $20 million into the plan, and any changes could bring some big impacts.
In records released this week, the Valley Oaks owner saying a stay on the project could lead to almost 50 people getting laid off and the company possibly going bankrupt. With a hearing scheduled for next month on the issue and a final decision still to come, Tasha Stevens says neighbors will continue gathering data and support to try and stop the expansion.
I just don't think we will give up. I think that we will take this as far and as long as we possibly can.
In Johnson County, Missouri, Tom Dempsey, 41 Action News.
41 Action News reached out to Valley Oaks Steak Company several times, but we have not heard back.